my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, thank you, you are most welcome. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you guys, thank you for always coming back to this channel. Thank you, God bless you all for supporting this channel. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Vivian. I am the founder of Living Organic Skincare. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make crystal white half cast fruity soap. Okay, yeah, crystal white half cast fruity soap. Today this soap is going to whiten the skin flawlessly. Like this soap is I call it ocha para para. Though this video is a requested video from one of us here, yeah, but I'm going to teach you guys how you can make the very super half cast whitening soap that whitens you in just 7 days. You start seeing the effectiveness of the soap. Okay, if you can lay your hands on the ingredient I'm going to be using for this formulations. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe to be getting our latest recipes. Okay, subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to be updated each time we drop any video in this channel. Okay, yeah guys, let me introduce you guys to my base soap that I've already strengthened here. All right, so I'm gonna try as much as possible to make this video short. I have here my Vid Good papaya plus gluta extra whitening soap plus, yeah, and I have my glutathione. I have my glutathione comprime fast action soap. This soap is the main original glutathione comprime soap. If I have, I might snap and send to you and put it on the page on the screen, sorry. So, and the next soap I have here is my crystal white complexion lightening transparent serum. Okay, so, or soap, yes, soap, sorry, soap. So these are the three soaps that I have in here. So I have this one 2 pieces in here. I have this gluta comprime 2 pieces, then this Vid Good I have 1 pair in here to the mixture. All right, so guys, yeah, these are basically the soaps I have in here. So I'm going to be, let's proceed, guys. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, because this year we are going to drop a lot of recipes, magic recipes that work. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be adding the powders now. All right, to this formulation. In here I have my rice powder here. Okay, that is 1 full tablespoon of my rice powder, sorry, yes. Then the next powder I'm going to add to this I'm going to be adding is my gluta. This is my glutathione powder. 1 tablespoon of my rice powder, 1 tablespoon of my glutathione powder, and here I have my licorice root. I'm going to add that to this formulation. Just a tablespoon of my licorice root. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my camwood powder. Okay, in here I have my camwood powder, a tablespoon of my camwood powder, yeah, and I'm going to be adding my my turmeric, yes, my turmeric powder, a tablespoon of my turmeric powder. Okay guys, so I'm going to be adding this powder, tawax powder, it's known as Snow White powder. Yes, I'm going to add, so this my Snow White powder. This locked, have to I don't want to add everything. Yeah, okay, I want to add half of this, okay, to this mixture, guys. You can as well add the whole of it, it's okay. Guys, I added in half of my Snow White powder because the other powders are very active already. Okay, to this and mixture, guys, I didn't add the whole of my Snow White, so I added in half. If you can see, is how I added in to it. So let's introduce you guys to the oils and the other ingredients. So I'm going to be adding this. This is nano white oil. This is nano half cast oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this nano extra white ultimate lightening serum. Yes, I'm going to be adding it. Sorry, it's not. So I'm going to be adding it to this place. Look at it here. I'm going to add this to this mixture. I added the whole bottle. So the next I'm going to be adding is this oil, this gluta white and kojic glutathione and kojic collagen, sorry, double serum. So I'm going to be adding this as well to this mixture. I'm going to be adding this one, this thing there. If you don't want to white, don't come close to this recipe. This recipe is the bomb. So guys, next I'm going to be adding this ghost skin oil. Okay, this ghost skin oil with snail is clarified oil. Is a clarifying oil with snail slime. This is a very good oil as well. I'm going to be stuck at that. Look at it here. So I'm going to be adding this to this mixture. I've added the whole of the bottle. Added everything. So guys, so I've added in my ghost skin. So I'm going to be adding my more white. This is my more white serum. Okay, I don't know if you can see. I'm going to be adding it. I didn't add everything though. I added more than half. No, I'll add everything. Let me add everything. Yeah, I added the whole of the bottle. More white serum. Okay. So I'm going to be adding my treatment oil. This is neem oil. 1 minute action. Neem oil. I'm going to be adding it to this mixture. Just going to add a little of this. This is going to help to treat the skin, guys. You guys know that neem oil is good for treatment skin. So I'm going to be adding the honest oil. I'm going to be adding my almond oil. Almond oil is good. It's a very good moisturizer. I'm going to be adding a little of my almond oil. That is okay. So I've added in my almond oil. So I want to go on with my mango. This is my mango border. Okay, this will add as a moisturizing property. So you can as well skip this place. Add your whitening glycerin or your vegetable glycerin for moisturizer. Okay, it's going to help to moisturize. I added in like 15 ml of that to the mixture. Okay, that is my mango. You can see. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to be adding this is my soap activator. Okay, I'm going to look at the quantity I have left. Okay, this is soap activator. Yeah. So I've added in my soap activator, guys. So next I'm going to be adding my hydrogen peroxide. I put it in this bottle. Let me measure it out. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. I'm using my one hand to film hold my camera to film this thing. This is my hydrogen peroxide. Okay, is in this bottle. This bottle is okay. It's in a bottle. I have to pause to pour it out. Okay, hydrogen peroxide. This is so good. It's so good. It helps in taking off this 8 spots like crazy. It takes off 8 spots like crazy, and it's also help in treating if you are prone to acne, all those stuff. This is good. This is your good to go, guys. Okay, hydrogen peroxide added in. I'm going to be adding more of it. This is the second one. That is 2 tablespoons of me. Don't use it in a large, like in a high percentage. Okay, when using it, you use it in precaution. So have added in that to this mixture. So I need to turn this together first. Before turning this, I'll add in my this is my stretch mark ampoules. This is my stretch mark ampoules. It's going to help to prevent stretch mark in this formulation, and even if there is any stretch mark in your skin, it's going to help to minimize it to the minimum. Okay, it's going to help in fading it to the minimum. Yeah, this is very active for stretch mark. So my stretch mark ampoule is going here. I'm adding 1 ampoule to this. I'm not really making soup, I'm customizing this soup for someone. All right, just 1. Okay, if you are prone to stretch mark, you can add 2. So guys, I will be adding my Beneclate Kineko. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, this is it. This is Beneclate Kineko. Okay, this for green vein. It's anti-green vein. It helps in unifying your skin. Okay, it's a very good oil. It's going to help to prevent green vein from this formulation. So I'm going to be adding 1 full tablespoon, that is 15 ml, to this mixture. I'm going to be adding 15 ml of my Beneclate Kineko. I added in my stretch mark ampoule. So guys, believe me, this soap is a chaprapa, but it's going to chaprapa you in a very safe way, guys. Like I said, we are making our crystal white half cast fruity soap. So next, I'm going to be using this to water down my soap. This is my fruits, my blended mixed fruits. I have cucumber, carrots, papaya into this mixture, guys. I'm going to be adding it to this soap now. I'm going to use it to water down the soap. Yeah, so I'll need to mix the soap now. So guys, I've like turned this thing. Why is this face not coming? Look at this face. It's looking so beautiful, but my camera is fucking the face of this soap up. Oh guys, I'm gonna be adding my vitamin E oil. Okay, to the mixture. Added in 5 ml of my vitamin E oil. I'm going to be adding this oil now. This carotene. This oil glues the skin a whole lot. Carotene, yeah, light and natural carotene brightening oil. I'm going to be adding it to this mixture. Yeah, I'm going to be adding it. I added in half of it. I didn't add the whole of it. Okay, added in that. I'll add my aloe vera gel. This is my aloe vera gel. I'm going to be adding it to this mixture. I'm going to add that it's going to help treat the skin. This aloe vera gel. Okay, I'm going to be adding just little. It's okay. That past is okay for my aloe vera gel. So I'm going to turn this now. Anybody, those people that is complaining that their mulatto soap normally change color, make this soap, Jerry. Do this soap the way I just did it now and sell it to that person. This soap, the color is looking so beautiful. Like seriously, it's looking so beautiful. Yeah, this is I've added my fruits, my blended fruit. I told you guys I blend carrot, cucumber, and pepper. You can skip the purple. Okay, it's okay, just use your carrot and cucumber. It's okay, guys. Then all the soaps I used the 3 soaps I showed you guys, I used 2 pieces of them. Which other one? Then I'm going to be adding my preservative. When blending your fruits, just don't put water. I normally peel the back, then grate it, then blend it. I pour it there into my soap. Okay, So I'm going to be adding my first of all, I'm going to be adding my propylene glycol to the mixture. So I'm adding my propylene glycol, 10 ml of my glycol to the mixture. I'm going to be adding my preservative. Okay, this is my German Plus preservative. Okay, I've added in my preservative, 5 ml of my preservative. All right, so I will turn this now. I've done that. I later added the whole of the bottle of this. Okay, added the whole bottle. So I'm going to store this soap. I'm going to store this soap for 3 days, guys. This soap is going to whiten the skin. It's going to glow the skin. It's going to treat hyperpigmentation. It's going to take off dark spots. It's going to clarify the body. Is going to unify the skin and whiten the skin flawlessly. All right, so guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Also turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel, because I'll keep on dropping interesting recipe in this channel. Okay, guys, see you guys in the next 3 days time. Yeah, guys, this is the outcome of our soap. Just finished blending this soap now. This is the outcome. I'm packing it already. Yeah, packing it. This is how you make your own crystal white half cast fruit soap. The face is not looking lovely because it's late, but guys, believe me, the face is very lovely. Here is very lovely. And yeah, this is basically for this video. And I added in this glutathione prime forte. Yes, I added in this serum off camera. I'm sorry about that. I added in this one bottle here. Right. My baby is greeting you guys. So this is how you make yours, guys. This is basically for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share my video, and also turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. See you guys next in my next video.